we're about to go into Gap. My sister has 3 kids and they're coming for Christmas, and I really want to get some super cute pajamas for them so that on Christmas morning we just get like adorable pictures of them opening presents by the trees. So I figured Gap and Old Navy would be like the best places to go and look and see what they have. So let's go see what they have right now. They have such cute stuff in Gap right now. Like, even some of the outfits are like little pajama sets that are matching, and they're shorts and like short sleeve, which I think would be so cute for like spring or summer. But right now it's just like a little bit too cold for that. So I want to get long sleeve with long pants for Christmas morning. But such cute stuff in there. Like, I even started looking at baby stuff because I'm 24 weeks pregnant right now, and so I'm like, oh my gosh, I just wanted to buy everything, and everything was like 50 to 60% off, which is amazing. But I'm the type of person who I want to look at all of my options before I actually buy something, unless something just stands out to me and I like, no, that's it, that's what I want to buy. So I'm gonna go over to Old Navy and just see what they have real quick, and then I'll make a decision and we'll go from there. I'm shopping for the kids, but there's so many cute stuff in the women's section, and I'm loving these little zip up pullovers in hot pink. Everything just looks so comfortable and like it's really good quality, and they have some really good sales going on too. So I might have to just come back on another day and buy myself a couple things because these are so cute. Like, look at these pajamas. I am obsessed with the patterns. I just don't like that they're shorts, but I absolutely love the button up and the fabric. They have such cute colors. And even like these little sweats, they look so cozy. I just made it to Old Navy.
What is that?
It was a success. We got the boys' stuff. They ended up getting sweatsuits, and I went with gray and black. Super cute with some little slippers. I just got soaked. It's pouring outside. Now we're on our way back to Gap because the cutest little sweatsuit, the one with the white one with the little black hearts on it, I have to get that one for Ruby. So We're on our way back to Gap. We're back at Gap. Let's go in and get this adorable sweatsuit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We help you open yours, girl?
I went into Hollister because I've just been loving the quality of their clothes lately, and everything is just so comfortable. I was hoping I could find some little matching like pajama or sweatsuits for me and my sister, and so I tried on a few things, but I really didn't end up finding anything matching or anything that I wanted to buy. They did have some really cute winter stuff, and I'm loving that like the camo pattern is coming back into style because I used to wear that all the time when I was in high school. Let me know where your favorite place to shop is and if you found anything that's super cute lately. I'm hearing that H&M has some really cute oversized sweaters right now. And same thing with Forever 21 with the oversized knit sweaters.